Hi friends, opening well. I'm Dr. Milind. As a lot of students are gearing up for INICET and NEETPG for 2026 session, they are looking for a guide, looking for a mentor who can help them and guide on this path. So over the last 5 years, I have been mentoring a lot of students for this exam, and this is something that now I have came up with. So I just want to give briefly the overview of it. In the last planner that I have released, I give idea about the mentorship program. So I'm not saying that everybody needs a mentor, but sometimes there are some reasons, there are some facts for which you need some support. So I will tell you honestly, what you need is just a focused preparation. And what I believe that students are something that make actually the college, be it a college, AIMS is because of the students that can come to AIMS. MAMC is why one of the top college of India is because kind of students that come there. So I always believe that it's the student that make the classes or mentor or even the college great. But sometimes what happen, efforts without direction often leads to failure. So sometimes you are doing a lot of hard work. Sometimes students say कि सर बहुत पढ़ाई की है मैंने शुरू से इतना पढ़ाई की इतना सब कुछ किया है, and whenever I see the toppers interview I feel I have done everything that was needed. I ticked all the boxes, but somehow the result did not come. Why? Because the direction was not great. And sometimes there is no accountability. You are studying, but there is no one to check. Yes, granted are there are a lot of app based features, but there is no customization. There is no someone is just checking your progress on the way. Sometimes you need better planning. So as I said, it's not only about the hard work, but it's also about the smart work and the insight about the preparation. So this is why you need mentor. So I just wanted to introduce you a small program that I have decided to start about the mentorship program. So what I'm going to do, so I will have those students who need this accountability, who need that support. I'll be interacting with them on audio and video call, whatever is required. I'll be preparing. You must have seen on my channel. I have more than 350 videos. So I am, I for the last over the last few years, I have been analyzing a lot of exams. I help students to make their timetable, make their planner. So here, depending on your schedule, depending on whether you are a working student or a non-working student, I'll be helping you to customize your timetable. I'll be giving you the weekly targets because now I understand that INICET is kind of exam that pattern that I understand better. So I'll be giving you the targets depending on what we will monitor your progress. Whatever grand test you will be giving, I'll be analyzing those tests and then I'll be guiding you upon that what areas need to be worked on. Also, I always tell students that USP first aid is one book that is always helpful in your exam. So I'll be conducting once in a week or once in a 2 week just brief revision of the chart for the students. I'll be there for your personalized troubleshoot, and once in a month we'll be having a Zoom meeting just to assess the overall progress of all the students. And we will have in between, because I have been mentoring students over the last few years, so we have a lot of toppers, and I'll be bringing them to meet you, and they will motivate. Now, what I request, if you're someone who wants to join this program, first of all, I need 100% dedication from you, discipline, honesty, and faith in me, because I don't want you to be mentored by 10 people. If you have faith in me, if you're going to put that investment in me, then you should have that belief. Please avoid, if you're someone who wants to join here, please avoid the comparison. Please avoid the multiple mentors, distractions. You should be focused on your preparation and do not have this unnecessary request and expectation, because I believe that I'm going to guide you honestly. So you have to follow the path that I'm going to help you with. Okay. So how we are going to do it? So exam is around 6 months away. So we are going to break it into a small target. A lot of students say, sir, they often procrastinate. हो ही नहीं पाता, आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाते. Why? Because you see exam preparation as a whole. I will advise break it down into smaller part, and I'm going to help you for that. We'll make a long term and a short term timetable, and we will assess it timely. So this is something like this I'll be preparing for you, and I'll forward you. And on 2 weekly basis, we'll assess it and modify it if required. Lastly, see, again, I don't say that it is for everyone. If you need that, you are given exam multiple times and you feel that I have not been able to succeed, so then you can give it a try. See, I have experience. I know that I can analyze things better and I can comprehend things better, and that can definitely help you in the preparation. And lastly, trust me, there are no shortcut to success. There are a lot of people, rapid revision. These are the now famous words for everyone. But trust me, we maybe arrived late. We crossed the line late, but that is because we walked on the honest path. I hope by this program I can help you. So yes, there are some terms and conditions about this program. So if you want to join it and if you want to know the more details, you can contact me on this platform. You can either mail me or you can find me on this program as well. So I hope this way I'll be able to help you something. So guys, I wish you all the best and take care.